No shop has the best car soundproofing noise reduction solutions like car comfort shops. Why do we dare to say it? The reason is that the noise reduction solution in the car is not an easy to develop without years of research with practical cars in the shop for study. We have started our noise reduction solution since our first car comfort shop in Malaysia 11 years ago. All cars in our shop will go through a series of tests to know the actual noise reduction before and after the installation. At the end, we have developed many new materials that tackle the inefficiency of the noise drop. The materials are not developed only on vibration damping materials, but more importantly the noise insulating materials. With the new materials, we found the noise reduction effect has become better. Take a 4-door soundproofing solution as an example. We started to install only 2 layers vibration damping materials on the outer and middle doors in the beginning. There was a noise drop, but it is not an obvious drop. After that, we developed new noise insulating materials, noise absorbing materials and rubber sealers. We are now installing 4 types of various materials on doors with 5-layer soundproofing, and we notice the noise drop is very obvious now. For door soundproofing with vibration damping materials on outer and middle doors, noise drop is usually only 1.5 dB as we measured. For door soundproofing with vibration damping materials, noise insulating materials, noise absorbing materials and rubber sealer, noise drop can reach 4 to 5 dB. The difference is 50% more noise drop if 4 materials are used on the door soundproofing. From this example, you may notice that we have another 20 solutions, beside the door solution, to tackle the different areas in car to further reduce the noises. A car with only 4-door soundproofing may not be enough to reduce the various noises in the car, and this is reason we develop a total of 21 noise reduction solutions to reduce almost all noises that come into the car. In conclusion, our 21 noise reduction solutions are the most effective solutions that will lower the noises in the car with our current unique materials to do the jobs. Visit us to find out more about our 21 noise reduction solutions if you want your car to be as quiet as possible while you drive.
Visit Car Comfort Shop for more info.